In this video, we will show the best whiteboards in India 2020. At number 1, Pragati Systems Genius Regular Steel Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Geet Enterprises Non-Magnetic Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Nechams Hexa Melamine Non-Magnetic Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Duverra Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, ANSIO Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Roger and Moris ABS Plastic Whiteboard. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.